Hello everyone and welcome to another Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing SPM Clone 2004 Form 5 Chapter 5 Trigonometric Functions short question. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. Solve the equation 2 sine square x plus cos x equals to 1 for the range 0 degree less than equals to x less than equals to 360 degrees. So this is the overall question, guys. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. So without further delay, let us start to solve this question. Okay, as usual, I'm going to write the solution under the question. Okay, to start off, I'm going to rewrite the whole equation given by the question over here. Okay, so from here, as you look through the equation, you have two types of trigonometric function, guys, which is sine and cos. So to proceed to the next step, what you need to do is you need to reduce from two trigonometric function to one type of trigonometric function throughout the whole equation. Okay, so how are we going to do that? We are going to use the basic trigonometric identities, guys. Okay, if you don't know what are they, so I'm going to show you in the image now so you can have a look at them. Okay, so from here, since sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1, okay, so in this case what I'm going to do is I'm going to express sine in terms of cos, guys. Okay, you can do the other way around, but I won't really recommend that as it will make the calculation more difficult. Okay, so you can express sine in terms of cos, guys. Okay, so from here, sine square x will be equals to 1 minus cos square x. Okay, so let me box this. Alright, so we're going to use this expression and then we're going to substitute into the equation given by the question, guys. Okay, so from here let us continue. 2, okay, in a bracket, 1 minus cos square x close bracket plus with cos x equals to 1. Okay, this 2 we're going to expand in, so from here you should get 2 minus 2 cos square x plus with cos x equals to 1. So as you can see here, we are actually forming a trigonometric quadratic equations, guys. Okay, so from here what we're going to do is, so we're going to shift all variables from the left hand side to the right hand side. Okay, so from here 2 cos square, okay, let me erase this, 2 cos square x minus cos x. Okay, this 2 when you shift it to the right hand side it will become negative 2, so negative 2 plus with 1, so from here you get negative 1 and then equals to 0. Okay, so for the next step what we're going to do is we're going to factorize this and then we're going to treat it as it like it's a normal quadratic equations, guys. Okay, so from here when you factorize this, so you will get 2 cos x plus 1, okay, and then in a bracket cos x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so let me continue the working over this side. So from here you should get your cos x is equals to negative 1 over 2. So this is for the first solution. Okay, as for the second solution, you'll get your cos x is equals to 1. Okay, up until here the steps are similar as compared to the quadratic equation, guys. Okay, so to continue from this step onwards, so we're going to use the quadrant concept, guys. Okay, so as you can see over here in the first solution, your cos value is in the negative. Okay, so you need to recall in which quadrant gives your cos value negative. Okay, in this case it is a second quadrant and third quadrant. Okay, so that is for the left hand side. Okay, as for the right hand side, your cos value gives a positive value. So which quadrant gives a positive value? Okay, it will be your first quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay, so from here let us continue. So from here to find your x, what you do, you cos inverse negative 1 over 2. So from here you get your x is equals to negative 60 degree, and then from here you should get your x equals to 0 degree. But this is not the final answer, guys. Okay, we still need to obey the quadrant because the question has already given us the range from 0 degree up to 360 degree. Okay, so let us start from the left hand side. Okay, this is not the final answer, guys. Okay, this is just indicating the quadrant, okay, which is actually your angle is in the second and third quadrant, which reference to the cosine over here. So from here your x will be equals to 180 degree minus with 60 degree. Okay, this will be your first answer, and then comma x is equals to 180 degree plus with 60 degree. Okay, this is your third quadrant value and this is your second quadrant value. Okay, we have already done with the left hand side. Okay, let us move on to the right hand side. Okay, as for the right hand side, your x still remain is equals to 0 degree. Okay, remember guys, your cos value will be positive in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. We have already solved the first quadrant. Okay, let us move on to the fourth quadrant. Okay, to find your fourth quadrant will be 360 degree minus with x. Okay, in this case your x is 0 degree, so 360 degree minus with 0, you will get 360 degree. Okay, so from here you should get your x 4 solutions, guys. Okay, you will get 4 possible answers of x. So from here your x will be equals to 0 degree, okay, and then 180 minus 60 will be 120, so you include here 120 degree. 180 plus with 60 degree will be 240. Okay, so you include here, and x will be equals to 360 degree. Okay, you have 4 solution over here. So let me underline this. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. And also not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.